What's going on, guys? Nick coming here, aka the Crypto Hitman, and the bull market that you all are missing out on is happening on Pulse Chain, in particular the Grays Currency and its ecosystem of tokens. The king, of course, is PTGC. We've been talking about that. Then it goes out to the web of its other liquidity pairings, including Burn, 808, Liquid, Energy, my favorite, Alien, Teddy Bear, and others. And why am I doing this video? Well, you guessed it. Yet another all-time high for PTGC. The high that just keeps on making new highs. So if we look at the chart here, you can see all the buys. The last video I released was right in here for you folks. And we have rallied another 37%, taking out all resistances and filling back to all those resistances, flipping them to support and continuing to new all-time highs. Now, are we starting a massive hockey stick? What do I mean by that? If you look back here, people thought this rally was crazy, consolidated, an explosion. That is a hockey stick. But what if I'm telling you that this is the consolidation and this is just the start of the explosion and the handle of the hockey stick? That would be pretty crazy, huh? Now, pessimistically, we are new to all-time highs. We're starting to slow down a little bit. We see some bearish divergence here on RSI, but we do know that PTGC is a project in its own. The mechanisms of the token economics are insane. The buybacks, the burns, the LP ads, the incentive to hold, that is what is driving price higher. Now, if you wanted to see what the 1618 fib extension of this first big move was, that means that you still have another 32 to 48% higher from here, not including passive income, before you should even think about taking any profits. Pretty crazy, right? So what is fueling this run here? Obviously, people are catching on. We're seeing new holders. We saw a massive consolidation. We're seeing the incentive. More people are staking. More people are locking. But why are we able to bounce so hard off this dip like yesterday to new all-time highs? Well, that is because if you go to goldpulse.com, you can see that we have a green day in Pulse Chain. 5% in PLS, 5.5% on PLSX, 6.5% on INC, 13% on HEX. Well, how does that impact PTGC? Well, PTGC has massive liquidity pairings with all these assets. When these assets go up, it drags PTGC price higher. When these assets have a lot of volatility and volume, that volume funnels through PTG's LP, burning more tokens and providing more PLS and various assets to the treasury for the Grays Currency, which is then used for buybacks and burns, staking rewards to get people to stake and hold, and LP ads to make that liquidity pools with these assets even bigger. Pairing with these assets near the lows means that PTGC can capture that upside potential of these blue chips better than any other asset in the ecosystem, and I believe will even outperform these assets over the duration of this bull market. So guys, take a look at PTGC. Will we be zooming out? And this little rally here would just be another one of these, starting another hockey stick? I don't know. A hockey stick means we probably go way higher towards this 2618 at 2656, or even this 3618 at 3654. I'll run some fibs off of this high to this high, and we'll do another video on it. But even if you're pessimistic, if Pulse Chain's blue chip assets can have some minor green, some minor momentum with Bitcoin and Ethereum, you should be looking at the 1618, and that is still another 35 to 45% higher, not including passive income for holders, not including passive income for stakers, or if you want to be a die-hard, diamond-handed PTGC holder, lock and stake it to enhance those rewards even more. Nonetheless, I've continued to do videos, and the tops have continuing to be going higher. So many influencers have been talking, oh, this is the top, 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 and what do you know? The price continues to stair-step higher, and you continue to get more PTGC in that wallet. Peace!